Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Card ID to track tasks in 2025, an essential skill for managing your projects. First things first, log into your Trello account and open the board containing the card you want to track. Now, click on the card to open it. You'll notice each card has a unique URL. This is essentially the card's identity on Trello. This helps us because, with this ID, we can quickly locate, track, and manage tasks. Next up, let's copy this URL. Right-click on the URL and select Copy. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a precise reference to the card that we can use in other applications or communications. Now that we've done that, we'll paste this URL somewhere safe, maybe your task tracking spreadsheet or a related email thread. Just right-click and select Paste. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you're creating a quick access route back to the specific card, saving you precious time and keeping your workflow smooth. Lastly, to track the card's progress, you simply need to click on this link whenever you need an update. The card will open, showing you the current status, comments, and attached files. This is important because it allows you to stay up to date on the card's progress without having to navigate through your entire Trello board. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use Trello's Card ID to track tasks. It's all about making the most of Trello's features to streamline your project management. Remember, a well-organized workflow is a productive workflow. And on that note, we wrap up today's guide. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.